Today we are going to explore some elements of Pichwai, and that one element is Pichwai lotus. To begin with, let's draw our drop shape. Keep it clear and simple. Once done, we will divide the drop shape into half with a straight line, starting from the tip till the bottom. From the tip, we will move towards the base of the drop shape by making a semicircle. This semicircle becomes the base on which other petals will be drawn. We will start with the first petal on the right side, then the second petal. According to this size and shape, we will draw similar two petals on the left side of the drop shape. Keep adjusting the size and the proportion. Now, for the lower petals of the lotus, we will extend the line. On that line, again, we will draw a small drop shape like petal. And on each side, we will draw one petal to cover the space. Now, we will draw the stem with a simple curved lines. This is how we make a simple Pichwai lotus. Now, moving on to our secret of drawing the right tip for our lotuses. Did you notice that I have made a cross by drawing these petals? What is wrong here? These are also right, no? This is wrong because the Pichwai lotus petals do not have bends near the tip. But that is not the correct way. The correct way is to make the tip pointed but without any curves or bend. Don't skip the video any further because now we are going to explore the coloring, shading and mixing of our lotus. For this, I am taking water-soluble color pencils. Right now I am using Luna from Staedtler's. You can try with any other company that you want. First, I am going to work towards the edges and the boundaries of the lotus petals. As we have drawn, similarly, I am going to use my color pencil across the outline of the petals. The lines should be smooth and not rough. Now, using the similar shade, I am also going to do some shading inside it. And for that, I will give strokes inside the petals. From the tip, I am going to give strokes towards the base of the lotus petal. As we have drawn and as per the shape, our strokes will also change its direction. Once done, I will move towards the border of the outlines and I will also give a little bit of shade and darkening around the outline. From the base, I am going to give the strokes facing upwards, and as the drawing or the shape of the lotus moves, my strokes will also change its direction. So two things while doing the strokes, you have to take care of the direction and the shape of your drawing. Similar steps will be repeated all across the petals of the lotus. Don't forget to shade across the border of the lotus petals. So we are going to repeat the same steps on all the petals of our lotus. Once done, we will move to the step of blending, and for that we will need a thin brush, maybe a Teflon brush and a clear water. Let's keep a bowl of water ready. For this stem, I am going to use a sap green and a burnt sienna to give it a more earthy look. You can choose your own shades as well. And similarly, as the drawing of my stem progresses, the shading and the strokes will also move in that direction. Now we are done with the color pencil. We will move to the brush. I've taken clear water on my brush and I am going to apply that water and wet brush in the same direction as I have done the strokes. The brush I am going to move only on the area I have made my strokes from the pencil. For the white area, I am not going to leave it as it is. I am going to wet my brush and I will just smudge the same area with the rest of the area so that it gives it a more original look. I am sharing another secret of my while blending. While blending, we are not going to use dry brush at all. The moment the brush dries, we will wet it again.